Good morning, friends. This is Dilsa Vidratnam, news, business news, and this is 21st October. Mint is telling to just download MobiQuick, the latest unicorn, and it is giving buy now, pay later with MobiQuick Jeep. So, other news. Jio to invest in Danjo in $250 million round. Pepperfry may file for IPO by next June. Pepperfry. So some more internal news. Jio to invest in Danjo's fresh $250 million round. Hyperlocal delivery startup is said to be eyeing valuation of $800 million, raising the stakes. See, this is the news from Jio. Pepperfry may file IPO by next June. Yes Bank said to approach NCLT against Dish TV India. So Yes Bank and Dish TV also are having the same problem as is seen in case of GE and Invesco. Government must keep tabs on inflation and underlying consumption. Cred enters wallets via HIPAA purchase. This is the news covered in almost all papers. Vodafone Idea to defer payment of spectrum dues by 4 years. Some internal news also we have. China takes the brakes off coal production after power crunch. Bitcoin, a record high post debut in futures based ETF which has started from New York. I'll just read one excerpt from this. Bitcoin's biggest proponents back controversial arguments that the virtual currency is a store of wealth and a hedge against the most potent threat from infiltration in many years. Wall Street enthusiasm has also increased. Bank of New York Mellon Corporation, Goldman Sachs Corporation Inc., and Morgan Stanley are among the firms offering crypto-related services. Crypto-related services, get to understand them. Bitcoin at a record high post debut in futures-based ETF. On the verge of billion jabs and still counting. Listen to the podcast given by Business Line. India to flag concern with the France Economic Union over GM rice. And again, news in the inside. Light at the end of tunnel for crypto users. You are moving in a tunnel and they are coming to the end, and now you see the light. See, this is the light. Understand the value. Light at the end of the tunnel for crypto users. A great news. Having news from it cannot be ignored in any cost. Regulatory uncertainty. The lack of regulatory certainty continues to be a challenge to some extent, but there is now more of an understanding towards the sector. With a growing investor interest in cryptocurrencies, a number of banks had earlier this year warned users about virtual currency transactions, citing the Reserve Bank of India's 2018 circular. However, The RBI had on May 31st asked regulated entities to not to cite its April 2018 circular on the prohibition on dealing in virtual currencies, as it is no longer valid following Supreme Court ruling. So understand friends, light at the end of the tunnel for crypto enthusiasts. Is future retail party to dispute with Amazon. To dispute with Amazon. So this is Financial Express. Some important news we see from the internal lines. Kushinagar International Airport to boost tourism, says Prime Minister. So today he has inaugurated Kushinagar International Airport to boost tourism. It's a great national news. And the company news. Jio gains 4.49 million users in August. High crude prices. Sensex plunges 456 points. Nifty closes below 18,300. PayPal is exploring a purchase of Pinterest. Friends, see this? PayPal is exploring a purchase of Pinterest. And above this, we see again Bitcoin. Bitcoin climbs to record high after debut of futures-based ETF. This is Financial Express, and let us see. Again says dreams can come true. Buy now, pay later with MobiKwik. MobiKwik will first register your KYC. After that, will assess your CIBIL score, and then it will allow you to enjoy some benefits and pay even though you have no money. And within 15 days also they don't charge anything, and after that they will charge the interest or something. So this is a great news. MobiKwik is another unicorn and the latest unicorn of India. Vodafone Idea says yes to spectrum moratorium. Telco asks do when it can expect return of bank guarantees. And some more news from the internal pages. The great news today is that Modi inaugurates Kushinagar International Airport. Modi inaugurates Kushinagar International Airport. It will be a tourism spot also. Yet another big news from Economic Times. Funds with AAA, public sector undertaking bank bonds, SDLs score high on safety. Debt index funds with AAA, PSU bonds, SDLs score high on safety. Ladder strategy, investing in schemes with varying maturities, optimize returns, says advisors. Gold rises on softer dollar inflation fears. Thank you, friends. This is the news for the 21st October. Dilsha Vidratnam signing off. Share and subscribe. Thanks for viewing. Thank you.